So hello guys, this is Frank. Now today we are at the project of this multi-span polycarbonate greenhouse. So let me introduce for you first for the size of this greenhouse. The width of this greenhouse is 16 meters, 8 meters of each span, the multi-span inside, and the length is 30 meters. So you can see here, so for this area, it's covered by the polycarbonate. The wall thickness of this is 6 millimeter. And you can see for some details, we just using the aluminum profile and self-tapping screws to fixing the polycarbonate. So it's firmly fixed and it will use for over 20 years. It's very nice. So the inside we can take a look here. So this is the inside, and you can see the inside we have 4 meters of the distance for each column with the beam and supporting materials on top of it. And for the wall side here, we have main column and secondary column. Each span is 2 meters distance spacing. Okay, let's take a look inside here. Also, I want to mention about this greenhouse functions. The customer told us they are using, for that area, they have a space so they can grow in their fishes, and for this area, the landing area, they can grow vegetables as well. So it's multifunction. It's very smart design. And for this area, you can see the inside. This is the ventilation. We are using the gears, motors, to lifting up this ventilation here. The X reinforced the structure for windproof as well. So let's focus on the rooftop. So the rooftop, you can see the gutters. The gutters installed at each main columns will supporting the gutters. And you can see the details there. So we are using the Y shape, the sheet metal to connecting that. And this is the arch road here. The arch road spacing should be like 1.25 meters. So 1.25 meters of the arch road spacing here on top of it. If you want using the beams, every 4 meters of inside using beams and the boom supporting materials. So this is the structure side. And also let's take a look about, so at last, we talk about the foundations. So this is the foundations. Normally we will put the concrete and the steels with the sheet metal plate to holding the foundation. You can put bricks at around it to reinforce the structures of the foundations. So this main column is 50 by 70. The size is main column. Hot dip galvanized, which is corrosion resistance available. Okay, so this is the walkthrough of this multi-span polycarbonate greenhouse. So if you wanna asking for inquiries, we can custom size or we have a standard size for quotation. Thank you for watching.